my life had been severely affected visually. I could still go on. There were other methods that I could rely on in terms of the glasses, but to be so free and so unencumbered, and throughout that process to be walked through this process with Dr. Rowen, for her to illustrate to me clearly and with time and with precision everything that was wrong, that needed to be corrected, the pros and cons of the direction that I could take, the recovery period. She's just miraculous in her her bedside manner. She's also fiercely determined. I think what made me trust her the most is that she doesn't give up. If one thing doesn't work, she will find another way. She's extremely resourceful, and she gives you the confidence to keep going. I was not nervous at all the day of my surgery. I was not anxious, I was eager. I was convinced that this was the answer. I came in, I was under a local anesthetic. I came out, I went home. There was no pain involved. Truthfully, I have no recollection of the procedure at all. I remember getting in the car, not going to work right away, but just driving around the countryside, reading books, reading reading the computer, stopping along the way to get something to eat, and reading a menu for the first time. And it was a whole nother world that I had lost, that came back to me, that I had forgotten. So it affected my life, not just professionally and personally, but also artistically. And when you ask me, did I see colors brighter? As an artist, I thought, even with my deteriorating eyesight, I could see things well enough to see color, but I had lost the inability, I realized after the surgery, to even see true color. I thought that I could see somewhat definition with my glasses, but after the crystal lens, I realized it's not until you lose something and you get it back that you realize that the deterioration is so lengthy and it takes such a long process that you forget what things look like to begin with.